going to enhance the use of breathalyzers.
Jatend migao mar somo Migos Ogamba ojiwo rowere mondo mi odonje sekta mar ohala kod keto mwandu mondo mi gilos thuolo mag tije ne gin giwegi. Ogamba wacho ni rowere ok onego beni rito mondo mi ondigi tich tok rwako gudu kata graduation, kolero ni sirikal koro to bero thuolo mag ohala e sectors mopogore opogore.
I wish to take this opportunity to challenge the graduating class of 2025 to go out into the workplace and create opportunities. Do not simply wait for employment, but be entrepreneurs, be innovators and problem solvers. Kenya needs your imagination, your initiative, and your drive. May I also take this opportunity to call upon the Eldoret National Polytechnic and indeed all other TVET institutions and vocational training institutions to keep on repositioning themselves to deliver quality and relevant training. Institutions must strengthen industry partnerships, update the equipment, and effectively deliver on the curricula to nurture holistic graduates.
Ogamba olero ni kuonde tiegruok mag TVETs kod mamoko onego dhi nyime gi chiwo tiegruok marang'enyne ni malo.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is no doubt that capitation, scholarships, and support via the Higher Education Loans Board must remain essential pillars of equitable success. Through these mechanisms, we are ensuring that no Kenyan youth with talent and drive is locked out of TVETs simply because of financial constraints. This support and investment in the TVET subsector is deliberate and strategic. Under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, we are accelerating job creation in key sectors such as affordable housing, manufacturing, the digital economy, and the creative industries. TVET stands at the heart of this agenda because it is a primary pipeline